For writing today, we are responding to our final day of our 20-day unit of Scholastic Remote Learning from Home. So, the two stories that we read in our reading assignment are Dot the Fire Dog and A Very Busy Firehouse. And I shouldn't say two stories. One of them is a story and one of them is information. So, we are practicing using sentence starters so that we have a complete sentence. Some of you were having a little trouble with that, so I went ahead and typed those sentence starters in. I also put a question mark in the I wonder box so that you don't forget to put a question mark at the end of what you write. So you are responding to I noticed something that you found interesting. So you'll go here and it says I noticed that. So you will finish your sentence. I noticed that, and when you're done, put a period at the end. In this box, you are writing a question that you had. So your sentence starter is not typed in for you. So you can look here and type it in yourself. I wonder. Or if you want to say it in the past tense, you could say I wondered with an ed at the end of wonder. So you'll put the cursor before the question mark and type in your question, and then the question mark will already be there. The last thing you're responding to is this book reminds me of, so a connection that you made as you read. So this sentence starter says, this reminded me of a time when. So you will finish that sentence and then make sure you have a period at the end. When you're all done, read your writing. Make sure you've got capitals at the beginning, periods at the end, or a question mark. And then when it's your best, make sure to press the X and the blue turn-in button.